Did you know that according to experts, sleeping less than 8 hours a day could take a severe toll on your bodily functions? Our body needs a minimum of 8 hours to rest and recover from the day's work. Not many of you would know, but sleep is linked to healing and repair of your heart and blood vessels, too. Inadequate sleep could cause irritability, hamper your focus and brain power, amount to weight gain and in worse cases, trigger depression. Luckily there are plenty of sleep-inducing foods that you can include to your diet and catch up on your sleep. We will focus on 6 of them in this video. Cherries. Cherries contain melatonin, a hormone produced by the pineal gland that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. According to the book, The Complete Book of Home Remedies, cherries are good against mental fatigue and stress. Eating 10 to 12 cherries a day could help you get some good sleep. Almonds. In addition to enhancing the brain power, almonds could help you support sound sleep as well. Just like milk, almonds contain tryptophan, which has soothing effects on brain and nerves. On the other hand, magnesium are helpful in keeping your heart's rhythm steady. Have a handful of them each day and have a sound sleep. Dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolates are one of the best sleep-inducing foods. Dark chocolate contains serotonin, which has a calming effect on your mind and nerves and help you catch up with some valuable sleep. Make sure you don't take this information as a signal to load up on dark chocolates. Remember, excess of anything can harm you in the long run. Moderation is the key to good health. Bananas. Bananas pack a punch of magnesium and potassium, and those pack a punch that help relax overstressed muscles. Bananas also contain tryptophan, the same sleep-inducing ingredient found in turkey, and that also helps calm your brain. For something new, blend a banana with a cup of milk for a bedtime smoothie treat. Oatmeal and cereal. Enjoy a bowl of warm oatmeal before bedtime as a way to add quality to your sleep. Oatmeal is soft, warm and soothing. It's also rich in magnesium, calcium and potassium, all beneficial for sleep. If oatmeal isn't for you, why not have a bowl of low-sugar, whole-grain cereal instead? Cereal is a complex carbohydrate and those foods increase, again, tryptophan. Chamomile tea. Refreshing, revitalizing and fragrant, chamomile tea has soothing effect on nerves and helps induce sleep, notes the Complete Book of Ayurvedic Home Remedies. Chamomile tea is renowned as a mild tranquilizer. Experts believe that the sedative effects of chamomile tea could be due to the flavonoid, apigenin, that binds to benzodiazepine receptors in the brain and helps induce sleep. Do you know other sleep-inducing foods? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.